Hi everyone. I am really hoping that I'm in focus because I'm using an old camera today and I can't see the back of the camera to see if there's, if I'm in focus or if you can even see me or if you can see my eyes or if you're close enough. So let's hope this all works. I am going to do one of my more intense eye makeup tutorials. I've already done my face. I'm just doing the eyes today. And I'm hoping to get this done fast because I have to get my son from school to take them to dentist appointments. So, Urban Decay Primer Potion, because we want this stuff to stay put. That didn't work.
I'm using an Eco Tools pencil brush to stamp on the eyeshadow. I'm literally just stamping on the eyeshadow to get the color intensity I want before blending it out. I'm now using a fluffier brush to blend out the edges of my green Top Secret color. Use Access to buff out the top edge even more with that same fluffy brush. I'm using an Eco Tools flat shadow brush in order to stamp on the Smooth Criminal color on the outer corner of my eye. I'm using Agent on a Morphe M562 brush to blend out the outer edge of Smooth Criminal as well as blend it into Top Secret. I'm using a flat shadow brush to stamp on light colored concealer to create my cut crease. And I'm patting the edges with my finger to blend it in so I have no harsh edges when I add my shadow to the top of it. I'm patting Guilt Trip onto the concealer to set it with a Morphe M167 brush. I'm doing this while the concealer is still wet too, so it has more gripping power to hold the shadow in place. I'm using Agent on a Morphe M562 to blend Smooth Criminal into Guilt Trip. I'm using the same flat shadow brush that I used to stamp on the concealer for my cut crease to clean up the edges of Smooth Criminal at the corner. Add intensity back into Top Secret with the same blending brush, Morphe M562. I'm using Tarte Man-Eater liquid liner for lining my eyes and doing a large wing liner. I like this liner because of the fact that it has a brush tip rather than a felt tip. I also find it helpful to use the concealer line from cleaning up my edges as a guideline for my wing. Take your time with your wing liner. Hurrying through this part will guarantee that you'll have a mess up and you'll end up with one wing longer or thicker or a smudge where you don't want it. I applied a drop of duo glue and spread it out on my lashes before applying my mascara so that they had time to dry to a tackiness so that I could put them on my eye without having them slide about.